Welcome in, Renegades. Now, today we're going to be talking about this is it, guys. So, I just want to explain a little bit about what's happening in the market right now. So, the market, especially the bull market, comes in waves. So, what we are experiencing now. So I'm going to explain these waves to you. So when we had the election, the crypto dumped completely because there was uncertainty, and then absolutely took off and exploded after that. So then we get, the news of Donald Trump, a pro crypto president, becoming president. We see a massive move to the upside. And I've been talking about this. I even talked about it on my channel and to a lot of my friends as well. We're going to see a massive dump right before the inauguration of Donald Trump because we saw a massive, rise in crypto. And what is happening, I think this is going to be the final shakeout before we start to move to the upside. So we're going to see a massive dump. This could be your very, very last chance to buy ICP at under $10 before we see ICP possibly go above those $100 levels in the next 6 to 10 months. I'm looking to ICP to be somewhere between that $100 and $200 range. We're sitting at somewhere under $10 right now. We just wicked down there. This is an incredible buying opportunity, guys. We're going to see ICP crash to this $10 support. I think even if we do go down a little bit more in the next couple of weeks, I do believe that ICP is going to see the massive movements coming the second week of January to the ETHDenver February 23rd to March 2nd, which we're going to do a massive event. I want to show you guys. Check this out. You can get free ETHDenver tickets right now. So you just basically have to fill out a little bit of paperwork here. Let's see, that's not the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted. So basically you could get free ETHDenver tickets, and I'll even, take you into, kind of show you basically, let's see, do they even have, yeah, right here. So here's where you go in on the ETHDenver site and you can get tickets. You can apply to attend, and I got my free ticket already, so you can go apply to attend. Let me just send you this link over here. There's $600 tickets that you can get for free right now. So, and then you can also book your hotel accommodations. And this is going to be huge, guys. So come join us here. ICP is going to have a booth there. This is going to be really, really cool. Now, something big is coming, guys. Not only is the bull market going to be in full effect with Dominic Williams announcing his AI integration with the internet computer moving forward, and Caffeine AI getting ready to come out, and the internet computer doing so much with AI. Could this be implications of what is to come? It looks like ICP current maintenance on the ICP dashboard. Something big is coming. I'm loading up even more. So guys, not only are we going to see the biggest movement in the bull market, but we are seeing the biggest technological advancements of our time happening right here on ICP. Well, why is that? Well, as everybody's saying, Ethereum. Well, hello, World Computer. Hello, Mr. World Computer. And of course, the World Computers is equal or less than ICP, or equal, so equal or greater, not greater, but less than ICP. So equal to or greater than ICP. ICP is equal to or greater than the internet computer or the world computer. That's what I meant. Jeez, I can't, sorry, it's been a long day. But world computer is the future, and Ethereum is starting to recognize it. And guess what? ETHDenver, guys, I'm telling you, this is the biggest opportunity for ICP. Like Bitcoin Nashville was huge, especially with all the Bitcoin stuff, but internet computer is a smart contract platform. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin has access to smart contracts through, ordinals and stuff, but this is the future, guys. You need to be coming to ETHDenver because world computer is equal to or greater than or equal to or less than ICP, right? So ICP is greater. ICP is greater. So let's look here. It looks like just wanted to say I took a step back the other day. This is Last MJS. He created a lot of the coding languages brought to the internet computer on the internet computer. So he didn't create the coding languages, but he brought them to the internet computer and created them on the internet computer. He said, and just wanted to say, I took a step back the other day and realized how excellent ICP's developer experience is relative to other blockchain ecosystems I'm familiar with. Your global variables simply persist. Even complex non-serializable variables like JavaScript or Python interpreter. And my interactions with Dfinity engineers are usually just top-notch. I look up to them. For the level of decentralization and security that ICP provides, what I'm saying should be understood in this context. Highly likely it has the best developer experience in decentralized computing, in my opinion. ICP really shines here. Get ready for ASIL 1.0 to be a contender for absolute most rock-solid JavaScript implementation of any blockchain ecosystem. And I absolutely agree with this. I was able to meet Jordan last at Bitcoin Nashville. So guys, big things are coming. People are doing some incredible, innovative stuff on the internet computer. And this is going to be cool because there's exciting news for the Web3 community. The ICP Hub North America Alliance is launching chain chapters in major cities across North America. So it looks like they're kicking off 2025 with a series of game-changing ICP meetups in Montreal, New York, San Francisco, Toronto, and Miami, the first wave of chain chapters. These meetups will bring together the brightest minds in blockchain, crypto, and Web3 to connect, share knowledge, and build the decentralized future. Whether you're a developer, investor, founder, or just passionate about the space, these events are your chance to dive deep into the ICP ecosystem and explore the future of decentralized computing. Join us at these exclusive events, and you can check out all of the events here, and I'm going to link this over here in the chat, guys. So I'm going to see if we can't do something for ETHDenver and get like a meetup going there. What's up, everybody? Garwant's here. Pin Maker, what is up, everybody? ICP's bags are packed before blast off. So we are going to absolutely be ripping, guys. That's why this is the most important video. Share this, let people know. Now we get into the absolute fun part, guys. What is going on with the price? Well, guys, as I had predicted previously, ICP is definitely undergoing a massive accumulation phase. We only end up in this price range before we end up moving. If we go and we look, this is a historical top where we, kind of topped out. And now we're sitting at that top as support. So ICP is getting ready. Whenever we sit here at this level, between this $10, we dip down to these levels, we end up, blasting off after that. So I really believe that we're somewhere down right here in this scheme of things, and we're getting ready to move up in like the next 3 weeks. Is what I'm thinking. The end of January, early February, we're going to see some big moves to the upside. This volume is looking good. Let's check out the CFGI. They kind of changed it. It looks like we're neutral right now, and it looks like the TA is bad. But if we go down here, they changed some things. So we can see the price score is neutral. We've been sitting at this price, on and off for a little while. This is a good time to grab your bags. Volatility, especially in extreme greed, because when it goes down like this, people are scooping up the bags. Volume, it looks like we have decent volume. It's sitting at over $157 million today. So volume is looking very, very good. Impulse is neutral because the market's not doing a lot right now. Like I said, we're going to have this big dump before the next pump. And this is the best time to grab your bags up of ICP at sub $10. Social extreme greed, dominance is in fear, search extreme greed, whales greed. So these whales are absolutely scooping up their bags. Smart money is grabbing their bags of ICP right now. As you see, the whales are greedy right now. They are absolutely getting ready for the next move. So let's go and look. What is going to be happening for the price of ICP? Guys, I'm going to tell you, we're going to be at $20 very soon. Like, I think within the next month and a half, we're going to be sitting at $21. So this is the best time. We're sitting right before the top of the market in about 6 to 10 months tops. I'm thinking more like about 8 months, somewhere right in the middle of that area. But this is absolutely looking bullish to me. We have this, small cup and handle right here. And it looks like it is, playing out very nicely. So we could see, a move back up to this $18, $19 level very soon, and then end up somewhere up in this $20 area after that, because we're going to have this, ascending triangle happening over here as well. So there is some serious bullishness in the charts in the long term. So it says it's bearish in the short term, and I kind of agree on that one. But as you see this massive ascending triangle, we have this cup and handle, and this is all in the monthly. This is the bullish monthly chart. Guys, when in doubt, zoom out. Let's look at this RSI, guys. I'm so bullish on ICP. Look at this. Just continued rising, staying above that average volume on the monthly. ICP is looking sexy for the long-term chart. Now let's take a little look at this shorter-term chart. And it looks like we do have a nice ascending triangle here as well on the weekly. So things appear to be, rather bullish in the long term. If we do look at the short term, things are kind of consolidating in a symmetrical triangle. So it doesn't even look bearish. This isn't a bullish or bearish scenario to me. This is a neutral scenario, just like the CFGI says at the top. All these indicators together is neutral. In the 51 right here, let's go look down at what 51 is. 51, 40 to 59 is neutral. So we're sitting neutral right now, which is exactly what the chart, and this is the perfect time to buy. In the bull market, sitting neutral right before the top of the, guys, I don't normally say, but now's the time. Again, I don't do this very often at all, but it's the time. We might even see this, go down to this 882, but I don't care. Now is the time. From now, and it looks like, we do have just this symmetrical triangle here. I mean, yeah, this symmetrical triangle. So it means it's kind of neutral right now. If I do look for some bearishness in the weekly, it is going to be a possible descending triangle right here. And this is what I was going to say could possibly bring us down to here, which is the bearish scenario. So let's just put that perfect there. Let's put this right here. And we have ourselves a descending triangle that could possibly, bring us a little bit lower, which all of these are good price, or it holds support right here. So I'm not saying it's going to break. That's the bearish scenario. And then we have a nice level of support even right here, 836, all the way up to that upward trending support line at about this 886 right here. So that's the lowest. So I'd be buying at $10 right now. Even if we go to $9, we could be at $20 very, very soon. Double your money, say at this price right here. So there's that. Again, we do also have, this cup and handle looks really strange, like it didn't play out over here on the weekly. This still could be, bullish though, because of this long-term, ascending triangle. Let's look at the daily though. I want to see, here's the bearishness. Here we go. So I see the bearishness right now. We had a head and shoulders right here for volume. So I'm going to be watching this on the RSI. If we break below this, if this volume goes down, we could see ICP actually move down even further Oh, whoops. Okay, we could see ICP move pretty far down if this breaks. And that's all the way to like 18. And that's definitely possible. If we go back down and we touch, that $8 area, we could see that happen. I don't think that's going to happen, especially in the bull market, but I'm looking for some bearishness, and that's about all I see, is this head and shoulders right here, which we have a head and shoulders right here too, guys. So I am seeing why there's fear in the market right now. But this doesn't really touch the whole, so that doesn't even look confident as a head and shoulders to the downside. So I don't think that's going to happen. To be honest with you, in my professional opinion, I don't think this is going to happen, but I'm going to see where it would land us if it did, just for, the sake of this video. So it does look like it would bring us down to about 750. I don't think that's going to happen. There could be a move, like I said, down to this 850, 840-ish area, and we don't see the complete bottom of there. We see just a quick wick, from that area. So, yeah. And I definitely do see this bigger descending wedge right here on the daily, right? That is a big descending wedge. So that definitely could bring us to the downside with the head and shoulders descending wedge. I see why the CFGI says fear for technical, but they're looking at the short term, guys. Let's just remind you again of the weekly. We have this massive ascending triangle, which is a long-term bullish scenario. On the monthly, we have this big cup and handle over here. We have this big ascending triangle over here, way bigger over here. So there's some serious long-term bullishness happening for ICP right now. So I want to also show you, let's get this Fibonacci retracement out, guys, because this is what I want to look at just from this point up here to this point down here. So if we look at that, the 1618 is at $37 right here. Okay, that's just from almost where we went. I mean, actually, let's just go from where we were. That's what I'm going to do. 37. So this is going to bring us around to that $20 marker, I believe. Let's just go to the low. There we go. So the 1618 is sitting right here at $27. And that's with the wick all the way down. If we move it right there, we're looking at the $26 range. This is the areas, and look at that. That one reaches the 2618, which was from here to here. So that just shows you how in line these are. And these are going to be our next prices, guys. And then the 3618, we're going to be looking at $50. And then we're going to be looking up here at $56. But I want to show you something else. Because, guys, it's about to crack off. Now it could be your very last time. And I just want to go up to this $60 range, and then let's look at the Fibonacci golden ratio from top to bottom. 276, perfect. So the 1618, this is my bull market prediction, and this is why I picked these prices. Okay, let's just show you $100. So what do I say? Between 100, 150, and $200. Okay. $100 to $200, and let's just look at where this 3.618 is, right up here at $220. So these are the levels that I'm seeing in the bull market. I don't care about these short-term price dips except to buy more crypto. That's what I'm doing. I'm buying meme coins. I'm buying ICP. I'm getting as much crypto as I could possibly get. I'm going to events. I'm learning more about crypto. And I just study this technicals all the time, to be able to give you guys the best evaluation, guys. So let's just talk for a minute. Let me talk to you. It's about to go off, guys. I have literally been doing this since 2020 and making content since 2021 for this moment. I made so many people money in the 2021 bull run that, I thought that, I couldn't do anything else. But this bull run with ICP, with the amount of content that I have covered, with the amount of effort and energy that everybody who is working at Dfinity, that all the people in the ecosystem, that these projects are bringing, guys, it's these events that are really going to bring crypto into the forefront of the Web 2 and the natural world and start to get mass adopted. We're going to see it. So this is what I'm going to explain to you and why these ebbs and flows happen. So I told you at the beginning, there's ebbs and flows. We saw the ebb, when the election was going on. And as soon as the election was over, Donald Trump won, the flow happened. We saw everything come in. And then going into the inauguration of Donald Trump becoming president, we were going to see a massive, retracement, because all this money just went into, Bitcoin. And, a little bit of money went into altcoins. They saw a nice little pump, nothing like we saw before, but there has to be a massive retracement with all that money that went into Bitcoin. So what we're going to see is the next couple of weeks be, that ebb again, because of, the buy the rumor, sell the news type scenario that is very prevalent in crypto. And it happens just about every time with the biggest news out there. And so what we're going to see is the next couple of weeks, the ebb kind of subsides. We see the fear in the market. People are not sure if, the market's going to recover. Guys, we're in the bull market. It's getting ready for, us to cash in on our years and years and years and years of work to, finally be able to become successful. With ICP, the cool part is you also have an 8-year neuron. So you have your big bags, your small bags. You need to be grabbing up ICP. You need to be grabbing up ICP meme coins, Solana. You need to start grabbing up all the crypto right now while we're in this last dump before the blast off, guys. I am here to tell you when the best time, if you are going to buy crypto, I'm not telling you to buy crypto. If you are going to buy crypto, you already decided now is that time. That I can tell you, not financial advice, but if you decided, you did your own research, now is that time, guys. And in about 4, or about 6, I would say, to 10 months, I'm going to be making a video, and we're just going to be celebrating, guys. We're going to, have a party that's probably going to be like a 12-hour live stream. My friends and I are going to be streaming from ETHDenver, so get ready for that. I'm going to start doing a lot more collaborations with different projects, so get ready for more interviews. I'm going to see, what I can do to move forward. And Solstice, good to see you, my friend. It's really good to see you all. I will be trying to make these videos Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Our Monday videos are at 8 p.m. because I do work. Disclosure Crypto, what is up? Gary Network. Well, maybe if you just keep asking, one of these times I might just say yes. I don't know. But I think that's all we're going to have for today. I do appreciate your guys' support. Go ahead and share this on all of your social medias. Let's get the word out. Let's make Bitcoin Renegade great again. I'm just kidding. Yes, it's always great to see you guys, and I hope you come to ETHDenver. I'd love to meet my fans, my coworkers, my colleagues, my friends. Just come on, guys. Let's have fun at ETHDenver, and let's make something cool. Because I know I have a stupid motorcycle racing game for now, but it's going to turn into, guys, I might have some alpha for you here at the end. We're going to make, if you remember the 90s TV show Renegade, we're going to make a game that is similar to that. It's going to be like bounty hunters instead of the direction we were going. So support us with our stupid racing game, earn some free crypto. It's going to be cool. They have great NFTs. So it's going to be visually great. You'll be able to use the NFTs, but it's a stupid racing game for now. And we're going to turn it into like this whole thing where you can go into bars, you can go into different apartment complexes and search for people. It's going to be a crazy game. It's going to be cool, especially for the internet computer guys. So support us at ETHDenver. Go follow ICP Renegades on Twitter. Guys, we're doing it big. Go buy Renegade off of ICPSWAP if you do research and find out it's a good crypto. We also have our NFTs on Entrepot. But guys, this is getting ready to crack off soon. So this is what we've all been waiting for. So let's go. All right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!